Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Adventure Boat. My name is Kelly.
I'm Trevor.
Hey, we're here at Overland Expo West 2023 in Flagstaff, Arizona, bringing you everything awesome in Overland kit.
That's right, stay tuned for more.
We're here at Overland Expo West, and it's pouring, but we're not done yet. This is Zoe with Defiance Tools, and Zoe, you've got some really cool stuff I've never seen before. Tell me all about this grill first off.
You bet. So this is our flat pack grill, and it folds flat basically back into a small case. Holds a few different briquettes, maybe 10 or 12. You could also do wood in it as well. And it comes with a carbon mat so that you can grill and be safe and do it on a picnic table, put it on the ground.
That's awesome. So it's all stainless, I'm assuming?
It's all stainless.
Okay.
Laser cut.
Laser cut. And what's the weight on the system?
About 5 pounds.
Okay. And right now you have briquettes in there.
We do.
But you said you can use wood?
Could do wood.
So it's not just briquettes, you can do wood?
You
okay.
can.
And is there any other heat source? Like, is there a propane attachment or anything like that?
We haven't developed that
Okay.
yet. My husband's playing around with some options.
All right,
so
in the works.
That could
I
be
like
in the
it,
works.
in the works.
Yes.
Okay, and you said made in the USA, 5 pounds, all folds up flat in the
Correct.
bag?
Right in the bag.
Okay, awesome. And then with the carbon fiber mat, you
Yes.
can cook on what surfaces?
So you could put it on a picnic table, you could put it on the ground. You literally can take fire right to this mat and it's not going to burn. So it's
That's
typically
awesome.
used, plumbers use it or welders use it. So
Okay. Yeah, fireproof, perfect.
Yes.
And then I can really see this being used in moto trips. You put it in your side saddle, overlanding. If you were doing some camping, just regular camping, maybe not ultralight backpacking,
No.
but definitely camping.
definitely camping.
Excellent.
Any kind of van, RV,
Yeah,
Tacoma,
there you go.
Jeep, anything.
Perfect. Awesome. And then, all right, so how much does that retail for?
So that's $179.99.
Okay. And this kind of caught my eye here. Now, what is this?
So this is our barbecue multi-tool.
Okay.
It all starts out nice and compact. And when you open it up, you get grill fork and spatula.
Oh, wow.
And then you put them together and you get tongs. And
That
then
is impressive.
in there's a knife and bottle opener and corkscrew.
Wow.
It's all stainless. It's actually dishwasher safe. So if when you get home, maybe you want to throw it in the dishwasher,
Yeah.
you certainly could.
That's my wife. She loves dishwasher everything. So that looks like the most badass Swiss Army knife I've ever seen.
It's great. Yeah, it's really popular at any kind of overland camping event.
Right.
Typically people see someone else camping with it
Yeah.
and then come back and say, oh, I have to get one. So
Perfect. And what does that retail for?
that's $49.99.
Okay. Perfect. And where can people find you guys at?
We are defiancetools.com.
Perfect. Awesome. You guys got to be sure to check this out. Come to the Overland Expos. Check out Defiance Tools. Be impressed with their stuff because it looks phenomenal. Thank you, Zoe.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm here at the Expedition Essentials booth with Jeff. And Jeff, everyone knows Expedition Essentials, but you still keep pushing the envelope and inventing just new and amazing stuff. What's your newest launch?
All right, so right now we have something called the Exo Step. We have our Exo table, so we dubbed this one the Exo Step, and it's multiple things. So it's
Which is great for overlanding. You need something that has multiple things.
Multifunctional.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, so it's a step for getting in and out of your camper.
Okay.
For the guys that are stacking boxes or bringing a stool with them. It also doubles as a utility shelf because it has quick release mounts, so you can hang it on the rear door.
Nice.
So handy place to put your shovel and your axe. And you take it down, use it as a step, and then the lid comes off, and it's a propane fire pit. So it's
Oh my
all
God.
those things.
Is that a 4-in-1? Am I counting right? That's,
A bench.
Okay.
You can sit on it too. Yeah.
All right. 5-in-1. Perfect.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Let's unpackage it a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. So you said it's a bench. It
Yeah.
looks stable. It's all metal. You
Yeah.
know, I'm sure you work in. What's the? I'm gonna make it up. What is the material?
It's all aluminum.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
aluminum. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Guys,
Yeah.
I would have said it looks like steel, but that's perfect.
It does, yeah. It's powder coated, so it looks like steel, and it's sturdy. So it's lightweight.
Okay.
But the way it's designed, I mean, I had 2 guys standing on it earlier, so 400 pounds just standing there like they were having a good time. So
Stand on it. Yeah.
sure. Cool. You want to take it up there?
Oh, this is about 450 pounds right here.
You guys look like perching gargoyles. They wish they were 400 pounds.
Yeah. It's solid, man.
Nice.
It's solid. The adjustable
Excellent.
legs.
Okay.
change the height of it.
All right, and then where does it mount to on a is it go on a rack, or where's this?
So say you have like an AluCab canopy camper or the Alu cabin, it will mount on the rear door. So we've
Okay.
designed just a mount that will mount to the door frame
Okay.
and allow you to hang it there and then latch it in place. It has a padlock provision
Nice.
and also like a mitts canopy, you know,
Right.
something with the footprint, you know, that
Okay.
will fit on.
Perfect. All right, and then the stove.
Yeah.
You know, like, how did you even think to put a fire pit inside of a step, bench, stool, like rack?
You know, so I had help on this one. So I originally designed this for a customer. I was doing an interior build and he wanted a step that hung on his camper so he can get in and out easier. But after I built the step, my wife comes in the shop. She's like, hey, this looks like a fire pit. I'm like, you know what? It really does. So I
Right.
found an insert that fit in the step I'd already made
Oh,
and it was
perfect.
born. I'm like, she's a genius.
Yeah, she's a
Apparently
genius.
she didn't even know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's just making stuff up,
Yep.
and you're like, I can
Yep.
do that.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, it was awesome.
So this thing, it looks sick. It's
Thank
like,
you.
it's a good looking item. Now, is there any way to retrofit this? Because just from a distance, look at the shape of it.
Yeah.
It looks like it might possibly fit onto a spare tire
Yeah.
with the little,
Yep.
you
Yep.
know, is that in the works?
That's how I'm going to mount it on my truck because it's
Okay.
not an AluCab, so I don't have the bigger rear door.
Right.
I'm going to design like a ratcheting mechanism so you can just click it into place and
Perfect.
have it just mounted on your spare tire. That's
Awesome.
the plan. We're also planning on making a version with just folding legs so you can just strap it to your roof rack or something. So
Sick.
yeah, this is a pre-production model. I've built 3 of them so far, but
Right.
everybody loves them.
I was gonna say, how are
Yeah.
people liking them? Because I
Yeah.
passed by earlier, and when it was raining, and there's
Man.
30 people in this booth just
Yeah.
all
Oh, yeah.
hugging around the fire pit.
They're all fans. Yeah,
Nice, I
kept
bet.
them warm. Yeah, I'm getting messages on Instagram. Thanks for keeping us warm.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
All right, now what's this price point going to be once it's actually in production?
You know, right now retail, I've got it based at about $850, but we're doing a pre-sale on them, so they're 15% off. So it's about a little over $700 right now with pre-sale.
Nice. And where can people find those at?
Our website, expeditionessentials.com. Yeah.
Excellent. You guys got to come out, come to the expos, check out Jeff's awesome innovation here at Expedition Essentials. And Jeff, you guys are still like just always putting out awesome stuff. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, man.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, guys, I'm back here with Vanultra with Trevor once again, coming out with great innovation. Trevor, I'm looking at a hoist system behind me, and it looks rad.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, we're trying to find a solution for the age-old problem of how do you get your tent on and off your vehicle.
All right, wait, let me put a pause. One of my very first videos doing installs was of taking my truck roof rack off and putting it onto my roof of my tent. It was a hoist system. And I still get comments in that video about, dude, where'd you get that at? And I'm like, that was 4 years ago. Like, that is not a product anymore. So I'm glad you're up here making that, because I'll have an answer now.
Yeah, we actually came across that video. We were trying to see what solutions exist on the market. What's everyone doing out there? We have this whole library of all these crazy contraptions that people have made.
Yeah.
And there's just no commercial product to be able to get a tent on and off.
Yeah, it's not as easy as you think. I actually tried to make one myself with pulleys, and before I did the actual system, and you try it and like one side will go up, the other corner goes up, and it's, then I'm like, all right, well, babe, just stay underneath it. She's like, why don't we just pick it up? And I'm all like, I want this to work. And it didn't. But this looks like it works.
Yeah, so we've seen a lot of sketchy homemade solutions out there.
Janky, we'll call it janky.
Yeah, it's a pretty janky solution. So we want to keep you safe. Let's not just try and make something. I mean, it's 200 pounds over your head.
Yeah.
We don't want children going around here getting hurt. So
That'll hurt somebody.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and come up with something that's really safe.
Nice. Well, it looks beefy. So tell me exactly what we're working with here.
Okay, so what we have behind us is a prototype. We're trying to develop a solution. So we don't have anything to sell yet, but we're working on it. We're trying to get some feedback. We're here at the expo talking to customers saying, hey, what's your setup? What do you want, right? We're trying to get that direct feedback. And so far, the feedback in general is, hey, I really like this system, but I can't fit it in my driveway. My HOA is gonna kill me, right?
Yeah.
So we're actually gonna probably decouple this solution and have a carport or garage prefabbed solution that you can just bolt right up into your garage.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, because a lot of people, they spend a lot of money on tents. Tents are upwards of $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 now. And people that are like, hey, I live in LA and I don't want to leave my tent out in my garage or my driveway, so I need a system.
Yes, so this is what we're going for. We want to be able to get your tent on and off as easy as possible. We want to be able to do a weekend
Right.
trip and not leave the tent on for 3 months because it's such a pain to take it on and off.
Yeah, and tents aren't light. So I see it's on a pillar system now. Are you able to get the whole pillar system so it's a standalone? So if you just had the side of your house and you just want to put it there, is that a possibility?
So we're trying to come up, what is the best combination, right? What's going to solve the problem for most people, right? So far at this expo, the feedback we've received is, hey, we have a shop, we do installs every day. This is way better than using a forklift. With the forklift, I need a spotter, make sure we don't hit a customer's vehicle. So, now we're going from a 2-man system to a 1-man system. So we've had a lot of positive feedback with the whole rack system from an installer standpoint. From an end user, hey, I just want something for my house. You kind of need to have property to have such a big contraption, right? Unless you want to be that guy with having this big old frame in your front driveway and be like, yeah, I'm an Overland.
That guy's out there.
He's watching right now.
Yeah, he is.
knows
He's
who
all
he
like,
is.
I'm in. Where do I sign?
Exactly. So we're really just trying to figure out what's going to work best. And I think, like I said before, something that's going to work in your garage, it's prefabbed, and then probably something that's full turnkey that you can have, your lifted truck with 37-inch tires, and the awning and all that. You
Yeah,
just pull
excellent.
right up to it, clip into 4 corners, and lift it right off, and just drive your truck and have the utility of your truck again, right? It's like these trucks get neutered as soon as we put all this cool Overland stuff on it.
Yeah.
It's like, hey, bro, cool truck. You want to, go down to Home Depot and pick up a washing machine for me?
Just so you know, this guy's literally talking about me. Like, that's not cool.
It's like, yeah, my dishwasher broke. I'm gonna have to go rent a truck because my truck's neutered.
Yeah, Home Depot rents trucks. I don't see what the problem is. No, that's a great solution. I'm so glad that you're, thinking ahead. You've already got your great quick release system, the locking system. It's innovative, and then you have this. It's perfect. I really want to see how it works, though.
Okay,
All
yeah,
right,
we'll
let's
check
see
it out.
Cool. All right, now go as high as you can with it.
Okay.
Awesome. All right, Trevor, if people really want to, if they want this, how do they let you know that?
So the best way is to just reach out to us directly. You can go to our website, vanultra.com. You can reach out to us on our Instagram. It's vanultra_LLC. We just want to hear from you. Say, do we continue our development on this, or do we pull the plug on it and start working on something cool or something else, right? We got a couple different projects, in the works. We got to understand our priorities. If we
Right.
get a wave of emails
Yeah.
saying, hey, make that garage hoist system, guess what? We're going to put that in front of the line. We're going to try and have it out ready to go this summer.
Well, I will tell you from personal experience, working with people that have that need, if you make a system that will be price point effective and a good system that mounts easily, I guarantee you'll sell them. So I'm in. Yeah.
Awesome.
Save me the first one.
Thanks, Kelly.
All right. And for all your other good stuff, where can people go find all that?
Yeah, best way is check out our website or our Instagram. Check out our new blacked out quick release mounts. It's a nice touch on the existing
Yeah,
product.
I didn't even see it. It was blended in with the rest of the black. So
So hidden.
so cool. All right, Trevor, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
All right, Kelly.
Take care.
Thanks for coming by.
All right, guys, that was the absolute coolest, best Overland kit from Overland Expo West 2023, the bestest. Yes. And so what'd you think, Trev? What was your favorite?
I love the Defiance Tools because
Yeah.
it was like the spatula, the tongs, the knife, the fork. Like it was an all-in-one, super
Yeah.
compact, and love that.
Yeah, that was really cool. I mean, the whole thing folds out stainless steel. Yeah, that definitely is pretty
Dishwasher
awesome.
safe.
Yeah,
'Cause-
you're welcome.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
awesome. All right, so for me, I think it was Vanultra's, their big hoist for the tent hoist.
Yes.
I think, one, it's a cool innovation.
Yes.
I'm not seeing a lot of them out there. It's a big need in the industry for it. And plus, I have an answer for people that keep asking me about,
Yeah.
how do you take your tent off the
Yeah.
truck? Well, now there's an answer out there. Vanultra nailing it again.
Yeah, you know what I need to do now? I need to build a garage with an 8-foot door,
Yeah.
so I can get the hoist.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to hit thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Peace.
Everything Overland kit.
Sorry, man. the bike going across totally threw me off. Like, I was like, zzz. Dude, I was even like zzz, looking at it. Sorry.
All right, take two. Ready?
Ready?